In strategy cost management, we are going to discuss about the objectives briefly to identify the basic features of JIT purchasing and manufacturing, describe the effect JIT has no cost traceability and product costing. Under the strategy cost management, you have the basic concept. First one is a competitive advantage, customer value, total product. Under the competitive advantage, it is a process of creating better customer value for the same or lower cost than that of competitors, or creating equivalent value for lower cost than that of competitors. Then customer value, it is a difference between what the customer service and what the customer gives up. That is a customer realization and customer sacrifice. The total product is a complete range of tangible and intangible benefits. Thus the customer service to purchase a product. To focus a strategy, you have the general strategy. Under this focusing, it happens when a firm select or emphasize a market or customer segment in which to compete. For example, packing network, including a packing service provider, has targeted particular kinds of customer and is in the process of weeding out of non-targeted customers. Under the industrial value chain is a linked set of value creating activity from a basic raw material to a disposal and finished product to use the customer. It is a fundamental to the value chain framework in the recognized that there exists a complex linkage and interrelationship among the activities both within and external to the firm. Under the internal and external leakage, there are two types of leakage may be analyzed and understand. One is the internal and external. Internal leakage means a relationship among activities that are performed within a firm proportion of the value chain. External describe the relationship of firm value chain activities that are performed with its supplier and customer. There are two types. One is a supplier leakage and customer leakage under the external. Under this chart, we can identify the oil exploration, oil production, distribution, refining, gas distribution, service station, end user customer product disposal. Under this firm A, B and C, firm A will be identify the oil distribution and refining, firm B oil exploration and oil production. It will also including the firm C that comes under the value chain for petroleum industries. Next, we see the organizational activities and customer drives. Under these organizational activities, you have the educational activities, educational cost drivers. Educational activities, you have the employing, using employing, providing quality, providing plant outlay, designing and producing product, providing capacity. Degree of involvement, quality management approach, plant outlay efficiency, product confirmation, capacity utilization. Next, operational activities. It is a day-to-day activities performed as a result of structure and process selected by the organization. Employees receiving an example, employees receiving and inspecting incoming parts, moving materials, shipping product, testing new product, service market product, and setting up the equipment. Under the organizational and operational activity relationship, you have the organizational activity, operational driver, structural cost driver, operational activity. Under this, you have to select and using the process of technology, number of moves under the operational driver, the type of process technology and moving material in the operational activity. Then internal value chain, you have the chart. Under the chart, you have to develop first design. Then it comes for the develop product. Then you market, distribute and service. You are achieve the maximum organization to satisfy the customers. Then internal leakage example is given. Cost reduction from exploiting internal leakage. Material usage is given. Labor usage, purchase, warranty, repair. The amount is given. The total you have to find out the units. Then under the activities, activity driver, capacity, demand and demand. Under the material usage, number of parts, that is 2 lakh. Then what is the demand comes under the capacity of the internal leakage. Then assembling parts, it is a 10,000 both the capacity and demand, but the demand is going to the customer 5,000. Purchasing parts, number of orders is given 15. So demand is decreasing. Then to the customer under the internal leakage, your demand is 6,500. Warranty repairs, number of defective product, that is capacity 1000, the demand is 800, then the demand of the internal leakage comes under low, that is 500. Internal leakage, an example, material usage is given. Already we can discuss the labor, purchase, warranty, etc.